Good morning. We're going to be looking at chapter 3.1 golf, and the skills we're going to be looking at is drawing box plots, calculating interquartile ranges, etc. etc. Okay, in this section you'll see there are three tables. Table 1 gives me the top 20 female golfers. Table 2 gives me the top 20 male golfers. And the second data source gives us a random selection of 20 females. The skills for this first video we need to do is record the minimum and maximum winnings, work out the lower quartile, the median and the upper quartile, find the interquartile range, and then compare the ladies and the men and the male golfers. Okay, if I look at this first section, there are 20 female golfers. So how do I find the median? Well, if you look at the calculation I've done here, the median is going to be, because there's 20 values, I add in my ghost value. 20 plus 1 is 21, and a half of 21 is 10.5. So because there's an even number, I'm looking at what's halfway between the 10th and the 11th, so between Margarita and Carmen. So you've got to find the value between 23,403 and 22,185. How do I find the lower quartile here? Well, the lower quartile is, again, I've still got my ghost value. What's 3/4 of the way down? 3/4 of 21 is 15.75. So I need to be 3/4 of the way down between 19,277 and 18,166. FYI, the answer there is going to be 18,999 to the nearest pound. So I want to see if you can calculate that as well. How do I find the upper quartile? Well, the upper quartile is going to be between, oops, I've circled the wrong pair there, between the 5th and the 6th, and it should be 1/4 of the way down. So it should be 1/4 of the way between the 5th and the 6th person, between 32,436 and 31,435. And that will give you your lower quartile.